Who ordered the snow? It's snowing. There's my trail I'm trying to dig. We'll see what happens Monday. Trying to dig to the car. There's the front of the house. You can see the icicles, all the snow. Garage, all the snow. The yard, the Aussie and all the snow. This car is down there. This sucks. The snow is picking up and coming down. It's starting to stick to my clothes. This car is taking advantage of the trail I'm digging. You see how close I was to the house earlier. So I'm getting farther away. My legs are getting, my boots are getting cold again. My feet are getting cold. Not much closer to the gate. The car is 40 feet beyond that fence and then 10 feet past the next fence. You see the path I'm digging. Have to take it down to the dirt, otherwise it's slippery as... Can't think of the word. Slippery as snake snot? Snow snot? Something. My hand's freezing, so this is it for now. Chapter whatever. I made it to the gate. There's Sakari. There's a walkway around, over to the house, and over to the front of the house. I still have to go 40 feet here, 40 feet there to the car, and it looks like another 20 feet to the car. One thing that's keeping me going is I get to sit down in a warm car once I get it started and heat it up. My feet are cold. I'm trying to pace myself. In search and rescue training, they taught us to pace yourself so you don't sweat, because if you sweat, then sweat freezes it next to your skin and you get hypothermic. I've been hypothermic before. It sucks. And my hand's getting cold again, so the phone's going off. Made it inside the gate. Yeah, it's getting sloppier. I'm getting tired. And I got the car started with the auto start. And in 20 feet, I get warmth. I can sit down and take a break for a few minutes. And the snow's coming down even harder. But the valley's clearing up a little bit, so you can see somewhere out there is Highway 138. And then in that direction is Phelan, and in that direction is Wrightwood. Success, I made it to the car. I got a high heat. I'm defrosting my feet, which are very cold. I'm drying out my gloves, which are very wet. And I don't have any frostbite yet. But we have to hike back up to the house soon, and change out my socks because my socks are getting wet. And that means frostbite. My neighbor Jim came down with his tractor and cleared out a path for us to try and get out with the car. As you can tell, the car is dug in deep. We tried to move it Saturday during the storm. It didn't work out so good for us. Snow is as high as the bottom of the car. I'll come back later and work on this. I gotta go and change my socks. There's Jim down there in his tractor. There's lawn art. Covered it with snow. And there's my hike back up to the house. We're off and running. Hope the snow lets up. I hope the sun comes out because this sucks. I like elevation for occasional snow, but not year-round snow. Not snow longer than a couple days.